So now the guy is about to come out. He has been in for a while now. And now he's coming out. Look at that. This is crazy. This is not things you see always. The diver is out after like 1 hour inside. Just look at that. In as much as he's so secured, there's still a lot of things that secures him. He can swim properly and he's still secure. That is what safety means. Safety first in everything you do. He's so secured that nothing can go wrong. Even when he can swim very well, but still, he's so cool. So he's out now, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You can see this giant machine here. This is what helps in building. So we're constructing a bridge here. So the diver is out. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the young man.